Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a standard microphone to your laptop. It's super easy, and by the end of this video you will be ready to record high quality audio in no time. Well, first thing is first, you want to make sure you have your microphone ready and your USB to connect it, and then you want to come down here where it says sound. You want to click on it. As you can see right here, mine is already connected and I'm using the V5 microphone, and it's right here. So when you come to input, you can see that it's already connected right here. But it's quite easy. All you need to do is to connect it to your laptop and it should appear right here. And after that, if you want to click on it and you want to adjust the volume how you see fit, you can try it a couple of times, like making a screen record, like a little test to see how it works, if it works good for you. So you can adjust the volume. But for me, I think I'm just going to leave it like right here. I think it works for me fine here. And then afterwards, you don't need to come up here. This is just to check the sounds. This is okay. This is good. You don't need that. You need the speaker for that. So it's pretty simple. It's just 3 steps. First of all, you go to, settings. You come to sounds. You connect your microphone, which is your standard microphone. You connect it, and then it should automatically appear here. And you click on it. You want to go to volume to adjust it to how you think works best for you. And yeah, that's basically it. It works fine. It works great. I would recommend you buy microphone if you want to make like really good audio. You should have external microphone to connect. If you're like me who makes the video from a screen recording showing people what to do, I think people hearing your voice clearly would really help the video, right? And that's it, guys. It is really quite simple. If you find this video helpful, please take the time to like the video and do consider subscribing, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace.